live in our own way, doing everything as instructed by President Kim Il-sung. This is the will of leader Kim Jong-il, the will of Korea. The Tower of the Truth idea, the symbol of that will, is now decorated by continuous fireworks. To build a great, prosperous and powerful nation, a country with strong power, with everything prospering, where the people live with nothing to envy. This is the goal Korea is about to achieve. Korea will surely open the gate to a great, prosperous and powerful country in 2012 to mark the centenary of President Kim Il-sung's birthday.